You know Minecraft, Steve?
Yeah, and he also have a two Minecraft Steve.
Do you watch Minecraft videos?
No, my dad wouldn't allow to, and I never watched video about Steve.
Oh, why not? Your dad doesn't allow it, huh?
But when the first time watching the Steve video, well, kind of boring.
Is it?
No, it's just some bunch of Minecraft stuff, and it wasn't fun at all. I like some Minecraft is they have a song having some fun and funny stuff. I would like this.
Minecraft, huh?
But when the video was boring, I didn't like. Yeah.
Do you ever play Minecraft?
No, I don't know how to control.
Oh, have you but that do you have Minecraft on your tablet? On the computer?
Well, the first time I download that Minecraft thing, but I don't know how to control. I even don't know how to drop the tree.
Oh, it's easy. Just take some practice. Practice, yeah.
And some guys have a big long nose.
What? What guy? Oh, you're talking about the villagers, right? They go, hmm.
They always talk like that.
Yeah, the villagers. You can say villagers.
Well, what happens if they can talk?
They don't talk. They just say, hmm.
That looked like they was thinking something.
Yeah,
Okay.
always thinking. Yeah, the villagers are great. They sell you things. You can buy things from them or trade with them.
Buy some pet.
Yeah, you can. Yeah. I really like Minecraft, but I haven't played it in a long time. Minecraft is a great game because you can build stuff, and that's good. Yeah.
A good creative, but I don't know. Well,
What creative?
yeah. Well, the first time I downloaded the Minecraft, when I accidentally fall to the river and I cannot have the control them to swim up. I tried to do it, but they just couldn't go down, and then they just died.
Oh no. Yeah. Did you play in creative or survival?
Survival one.
Survival is the best. It's great.
Wow, it's very hard to control. I don't know how to do it.
Controlling it is just take some practice. But controlling it is the same in creative and survival.
Well, I can control my arm, but I don't know how to control the Minecraft game.
Oh, I see. Nice. Anyway, where did you play it? Did you play it on your tablet?
iPad.
Oh, iPad.
I just before my dad was going some work, and I just sneak in and play some game.
I see. Very good.
Well, sometimes I was doing that for the sneaking and play some game in the iPad.